Warrior, you're history, baby!
You know, you look back a couple of years, I established a world record, 712 pounds bench press. A lot of people didn't want to believe it. I had to come by it and certify it with the 460-pound man laying on my back doing multiple push-ups. You couldn't do it, Warrior, and the whole nation saw it. You're trying to back away from me. No chance, Ultimate Warrior. The match is signed and the title is on the line. And this is my last step and the one I've been waiting for in the World Wrestling Federation to become the Intercontinental Heavyweight Champion and Ultimate Warrior, the world's strongest man. Nobody can stop me now. Not even you, Ultimate Warrior. I'm taking the